Welcome back to dptutorials. In this video, let us learn about creating a milestone task in Microsoft Project. Milestones are checkpoints that highlight the successful completion of major events, tasks, or group of tasks along your project timeline like PO received, kickoff done, design phase completion, completion of testing, etc. Milestones creation is very easy in the Microsoft Project and you can create as much as you want. And the best part is that as they have zero duration, they would not be having any major impact on your schedule unless you link with any of the activities as predecessor. In this sample schedule, if you want to create a milestone task about this WBS investment, select the investment WBS line and from the menu bar in the task tab, in the insert group, click on milestone. Immediately you can notice a milestone task has been added just above the investment WBS with zero duration, and in the Gantt chart portion you can see the diamond icon indicating that it is a milestone. Give a name, say setup completed. In this case we do not have the dates as a newly added milestone is a manually scheduled task. Now to get the date, just mention the predecessor as the previous activity, that is final review. Now you can see that the dates have been populated like this as 6th December 2021. So adding milestones like this will certainly help you to show the key dates of your projects, to highlight the goals that have been achieved till date to the management. So friends, this is all about creating a milestone task in Microsoft Project. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.